welcome to my YouTube channel and my first ever video on my channel. And honestly, what better way to start my YouTube journey than on my birthday weekend? So today is October 17th. My birthday is October 19th. Shout out to the Libras, the best sign out there. Yes, I said it. I just got back from getting my hair done. I'm about to run upstairs, get dressed, because on the agenda for today is Olay Factory, Lip Lab, and where else? Yardhouse. So if you know New York traffic, then you know anything and everything could go wrong. So I have to be there by 3, so I need to hurry my behind upstairs and get dressed. Anyway, make sure you like, comment, and definitely subscribe, because we doing lit things over here. Like, we outside every weekend, whether we in New York or whether we in another country, we are outside. Like, so come along with me.
Okay, a little Tom Ford. Okay.
Good morning, beautiful people. It is officially October 19th. It is my 29th birthday. I'm so excited. I'm gonna have a good day. I already had a good weekend. So yeah, on the agenda for today, I must go with these nails done because they look crusty dusty. I'm going out to eat to either Shane's or Cheryl's afterwards with my mom. And then I'm going to Area 53, which is like an indoor amusement park in New York. So yeah, let's do an outfit check real quick. So today's fit is very chill. Matching set, H&M, bag H&M. I have on my Harachis. And today's scent is 10-19-92. Of course, I had to name the scent that I made from Olay Factory after my birthday, because why not? So I just finished getting my nails done, and this is the final product. Super cute. But let me just say, I was in there for 2.5 hours. I was getting antsy. I was shaking in my chair. I do not know how y'all can get y'all nails done every 2 weeks. Like, bruh, I was so ready to get out of there. But she did a good job. She was very precise, so I couldn't rush her. But just know, this is why I only get my nails done at special events. So now I'm heading to Shane's Brooklyn. I had to have a birthday brunch. At this point it's lunch because I haven't been in a nail salon so damn long. So let's go. I finally made it. After I died, I made it to Area 53 with my best friend. Like, we're about to be lit, and no, I'm not being lit no more. We're about to have a good time. I am, but we're gonna have a good time. Today is, what is today? Shame. Today is Sunday, October 24th. Yes, Sunday, October 24th. On the agenda for today, I'm supposed to be going to Magic Hour Rooftop with my best friend and maybe Oktoberfest. So come along with me and let's see where this weekend takes us. I'm finally ready. I have been doing a bad job at vlogging, but this crap is hard. But I'm not trying to be too hard on myself because I just started. And sorry, this hand is always moving. I cannot help it. Put it down, Bria. Anyway, finally got dressed. I don't know if it's me, but lately it does not matter how early I start getting dressed. It take me 3 hours, and I'm always late. And I be getting dressed type early to make the event, but it don't matter. 3 hours, always late. So now, you know, I run, make it to my car. Look. So now a bitch is stuck because I can't get out because somebody got me blocked. The perks of double-side parking in New York, because, like, I'm already late. I'm not really late because my best friend is doing something, but I'm late. And I gotta wait for this person to move their car. Update. So the man who has me locked in, he's here. But do you see my man moving any faster? No. He's taking his time. He see me in my car. But do you think he's hurrying up? No. Look at him, walking away. Do he not see me? I'm trying to get out, bro. Reporting live from the turning carousel. We've determined tonight that I'm not a very good vlogger, but a bitch is trying, and that's all that matters, right? Progress. So Magic Hour is very cute. Just gonna let you know, if you're in New York, it ends at the end of October, so run, not walk, if you wanna come. Now my best friend got me eating some Mooyah because she hungry, so we're gonna see what this Mooyah do. Ooh, should I have cheese? Cheese not good for my stomach. I want the cheese on it.
You say you want?
And I want the cheese.
You say you want?
I want the cheese. I want the cheese.
We're not doing cheese.
No, I want the cheese. I want the
I'm
cheese.
sorry. Do a public service and don't get no cheese.
I want the cheese on it.
She just be
I just turned lactose.
Please don't give her no cheese.
I want the cheese.
Please don't listen to her. The customer not right now. I am.
The customer's
no,
saying.
You're not.
I want
Don't
the
get no
cheese
Don't put no cheese on
with
it.
the kid fries.
But listen, God is watching you. You want to give her cheese?
Please
and
give
God
me
is
my
watching.
cheese.
You want to give her
I'm
cheese?
paying.
I gotta give her the cheese.
So you gonna violate me?
I did.
Can you give me half a cheese? Girl, make you feel better. Half a cheese. They have the cheese, yes. And for the drink, may have
We got American.
Yo, you not drinking, bro.
ooh, cheddar cheese.
You feel good about your decision right now?
Safe cheese though.
No cheese is safe when you can't handle it.
That's not
Like
true.
the
Wow,
cheese-
mind your business. And then they have. You doing it? Hey y'all, so today is officially October 25th, Monday, and we have made it to the end of the vlog. Now, I know this vlog was kind of all over the place, kind of short, maybe kind of long. I haven't edited yet, but if you made it to the end, thank you for watching my first ever vlog on YouTube. It has been a journey, to say the least, but I'm excited for everything that I'm going to learn, everything I'm going to mess up, everything I'm going to accomplish on my YouTube journey. So I'm officially closing out the vlog. And until next time, which will be Halloween weekend, I will see y'all then.